Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming about saving a big chunk of your income every month? Maybe $10,000 sounds like a huge number, but what if I tell you it's totally doable, even if you're just starting out? The key is having the right mindset and a simple budget plan that anyone can follow. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to save $10,000 every month, even if you're a beginner. This isn't about magic or luck. It's about smart habits, smart spending, and making your money work for you. Let's jump right in. Part 1. The right mindset for saving. Big. The very first thing you need to understand is that saving big starts in your mind. Most people think saving money is hard or impossible because they focus only on how much they earn, not on how much they keep. High savers are different. They treat their income like a business treats its revenue. They decide up front how much to save and then live on what's left. This is called paying yourself first. Every dollar you earn should have a job, and the most important job is to grow your savings. Think of each dollar as a soldier in your army fighting for your financial freedom. If you don't command your money will command you. Part 2. Know exactly where your money goes. Before you start saving, you need to know where your money is going. Write down your total income every month, including salary, freelance gigs, side hustles, or any other source. Then, track your expenses carefully. Rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, subscriptions, eating out, shopping, transportation. Many people don't realize they're spending on small things that add up fast, like daily coffee, subscription services they rarely use, or impulsive online shopping. Track every expense for one full month without changing your habits. This awareness will open your eyes and give you control over your finances. Part 3. Break your budget into smart categories. You may have heard of the popular 50-30-20 budgeting rule, but if you want to save $10,000 a month, that might not be enough. Instead, try a more aggressive approach, the 70-20-10 rule. This means 70% of your income goes directly into savings and investments. 20% is for your essential needs like rent, food, and bills, and only 10% is left for fun and personal spending. You might ask, how can I live on just 20% for needs? The answer is by making smarter choices and cutting unnecessary expenses. For example, cook more meals at home, use public transportation or carpool, cancel unused subscriptions, buy secondhand when possible, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Part 4. Practical tips to cut costs. Without feeling deprived, cutting costs doesn't mean you have to feel miserable. You can live well and save a lot by making conscious decisions. For instance, instead of buying brand new clothes, shop at thrift stores or during sales. Use energy-efficient appliances to reduce electricity bills. Plan your meals ahead so you don't waste food or money eating out. Also, challenge yourself to a no-spend month on non-essential items. You'll be surprised how much money you save when you avoid impulse purchases. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your $10,000 goal. Part 5. Increase your income. Strategically saving is important, but increasing your income is just as crucial, especially to reach big savings goals like $10,000 a month. Start by finding ways to monetize your skills or passions. Can you freelance writing, design, tutoring, or consulting? Maybe start a side business or sell products online. Invest time in learning new skills that are in demand and can increase your earning potential. Don't wait for a raise at your current job. Create new income streams. Remember, many millionaires have multiple sources of income. The more you earn, the easier it is to save big. Part 6. Automate your savings for consistency. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to save what's left at the end of the month. Instead, automate your savings so the moment your salary lands in your bank account, a fixed amount is transferred to your savings or investment account. This pay yourself first system takes the guesswork and discipline out of saving. Use budgeting apps or tools to monitor your cash flow. Automating also prevents the temptation to spend money that should be saved. When saving becomes automatic, it becomes effortless. Part 7. Mastering delayed gratification. To save $10,000 a month, you need to master the art of delayed gratification. This means saying no to instant pleasures that don't help you reach your financial goals. Avoid upgrading your gadgets every year, skip expensive vacations for now, and don't fall for buy now, pay later schemes. Instead, remind yourself of your bigger goal: financial freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Every time you choose to save instead of spend, you're investing in your future self. Part 8. Build habits. That last saving money consistently is a habit, not a one-time act. Set weekly or monthly financial check-ins with yourself. Keep a journal or use an app to track progress. Celebrate small wins like hitting your first $1,000 saved. Read books or watch videos on personal finance to stay motivated. Over time, your discipline will grow stronger, and saving will become a natural part of your lifestyle. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of daily habits compounded over time. Part 9. Recap and motivation. So to save $10,000 every month, start with the right mindset. Track your income and expenses. Use the 70-20-10 budgeting rule. Cut costs smartly. Increase your income. Automate your savings. Delay gratification. And build lasting habits. You don't need to be rich to save like a millionaire. You just need a plan and consistency. The journey might be challenging, but the reward is worth it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Remember, your money is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely. I'll see you in the next video.